stupid cat.
Ito, may rabbit dito. May baby.
I killed that Oh my gosh, it died! Oh my gosh, it killed himself, bro! It jumped off the... Why is
Oh,
it?
hello po.
I don't want to live here anymore.
Thank you po for the friendship necklace at Ninyo.
I don't want to live here anymore.
I have thought about it by the parents.
Everyone is dying.
Kamusta po?
But I want to build.
You build? Okay.
I wanna build.
I enabled the chicks.
Pwede?
I enabled the chicks.
We can fly?
I think so. Teleport na. Information. Bakit ito pwede
There's foxes. They have blue eyes. Come here.
Hindi siya pwede palitan. Hindi pwede mag-creating.
Has it been a long time since he started his live? No, not really. Only it now is created. I'm sorry.
Sobrang open world ng Minecraft. Lalo na sa PC. Kasi sa mobile, I don't know if until now sa mobile, may limit. Like, may parang invisible wall. Like, ito yung dulo. Pero when you play sa PC, sobrang unlimited na. Unlimited. Or hindi ko lang na, hindi ko nakikita ng dulo. Sa years of playing Minecraft na. I've been playing Minecraft for around 2011.
What you eat?
Then I stopped for a long time. Hindi ako mabalik ko ng Minecraft sa mga You need food?
Me, no. I'm trying to get the Arctic fox.
Oh.
Mm. I don't know how to go back.
Ayun, probably that yes. Tapos, sa Minecraft, sinusundan. So, parang earth lang literally. May parang desert, may forest, may jungle, may snow biome. Kasi maganda yung mga certain intensity pa siya.
Hi, guys.
Parang normal snow biomes ka. Kasi mga normal hills, big spaces, sa ibang mataas na mountains, sa ibang maraming mataas na mountains na
อยาก
big
ให้คนโทรเขามิสคอลเพื่อคนที่รอวันมิสยูเปิดไลฟ์พี่แนวแล้ว
Tapos,
Hi.
Meron parang kumakasunod yung sand. Tapos, meron sa underwater. Meron yung ba underwater temple. Yung mga parang creatures na pwede sa ibig. Pwede mo siya pumunta ng tiger doon. Tapos, yung amboy, yung animals. Yung parang ayaw.
Eye of the tiger.
So, ayaw is ayun eh. Sa Enderman. So, speaking of Ender Dragon, parang mahanap mo yung stronghold sinasabi ko, parang underground siya na city. O pa ancient city. Pero yung noon sinauna ancient city ng Minecraft. Kailangan mo magpatay ng Endermans. Endermans, sila yung parang mga dark na matamatag sa game. Na pag dito kasi matamatag sa kanila, hanggang nila, gano'n din sa kulit yung Minecraft. So, yung mga endermines na yun, hindi na-drop nila yung ender pearls. Pero, hindi ko pa yun magagamit. Hindi ko pa yun magagamit to find the stronghold. Kasi, yung iron
Kasi di ka pa strong. Sorry.
Ano naman? Yung Eye of Ender, yung ginagamit mo. Kasi pag nililis mo siya, lulutang sa susunod ulit. Maraming beses hanggang sa isang area na ginagawa sa kanya. Sabihin, below that floor, yun na yung stronghold. So, you need to have enough Eye of Embers kasi parang sa may portal. Yung sa may
Hello.
tatlo, ganon, isa, dalawa. Lawa ang patunan nila. Yeah. May napagawa din ng Minecraft versus student. Ano ba? Oh, hi Jill! Hello! Yes, nag-break din yung Eye of Ender pag namin mo. Kaya, ayun! There's like cat! Ang cute ng cat! Why did he not cat? She's giving us food to hold! That's the baby!
Where?
Baby siya!
They don't look alike. They're killing all my bunnies!
Food for us, they're killing for us. It's money. Ay, wait, nakaka ka ng player kung saan? Dahil hindi na pala yun.
Awe? Ang ano?
Yun pala yun sa ilalim.
Hindi ko napansin. Thank you, PJ, for the roses. It's small screen. I'm sorry. I can't do anything. Otherwise, it's gonna lag so bad.
You can have private servers, you can have public servers.
What is this cow? What is this?
Yung,
Yak?
those are cows.
Is this a yak?
Why are they
Good.
inspired by mammoths? They kind of
I think we should feed them. Make babies. What to feed? Wheat, diba?
So, yung ang pinaka-easiest way na makapag-multiplayer is through LAN. So, if you guys are sharing the same, like, internet, kahit wala kang internet yun, basta LAN, makapag-play kayo offline. Tapos, ito na yung problem when it comes to servers na gusto mo na online. Kailangan mo Minecraft Realms or ginagawa ng iba, nag-hamachi or like third-party server creating anime. Tapos, pinaka-complicated pa dito is gagawa ka ng server with mods. So, until now, hirap pa rin gumawa ng server with mods. Kailangan nakabanila lang. Oo, buhay pa rin hamachi. Until now, pero hindi ko alam kung paano nila sinaserver ng hamachi. So, yun. Kailangan na ginagawa yung...
Ate Andy, I found a way out. Way up, way up. Flowers!
So, yun, guys.
Frosty 9779. Teleported Frosty 9779 to Wade Melon.
Nag-multiplayer ng Minecraft. Yung nakakaano rin kasi yung sobrang mahirap lang sa Minecraft na until now I still don't roar. Kasi hirap, sobrang complicated.
Legit ba? Gano'ng kaliit ba? Can you, wait. Ano phone gamit mo?
Yung...
Where's my other? Can I have it different? I got those.
Ganun ba? Baka kaya ganun.
Gano'ng kaliit yung...
Kasi pag hamachi kasi, yun yung mga third party, yun yung mga free servers. So yung mga free servers na yun, parang pwede mo siyang i-on. Tapos, yung mga paid version lang is pwede na siya mag-run all throughout the day na hindi kailangan ng way kasi nag-operate mo. And the Sakura place. Oy! I think it's Sakura.
Hala, ang liit nga! Damo! Damo, ang liit!
Ay, ang liit. I'm fighting off skeleton.
Oh no!
And zombie na may armor! What the hell?
Ate Andy, I'm lost.
Stop!
Are you oofing? Ah! Creeper!
Oh man! So we back in the mine, gonna pick us trees from side to side as a day.
Frosty 9,707 to 49,000.
I'm dying! I died!
Frosty 9779 was shot by skeleton.
I teleport this.
Eh, sila din yung pumapatay sa akin.
I'm getting the meds. So sad.
Frosty 9779 teleported Frosty 9779 to Watermelon.
Bakit?
Di pa ako ready mag-Minecraft ng...
Purpose ako na blossom.
Nakailang relive ka na. Okay na to, Cole. I'm sorry.
For party rockin'.
Kutsa, kumain na kayo?
Yeah, the verse. Why are you stuck
Yes.
in the verse?
Yes, little bit. Little bit. Sakura Bayo! Mate Andy! Mate Andy! Okay, okay na to. Is it ba?
Ay, sakura.
Mate Andy! Okay. Okay, we build house here.
Yes.
We build pink house here.
Okay.
Where to get white wood? Ay, ibang biome pala yun. No? No, not that one. The white one.
Yeah.
Is it? There's a village too. WC. No, may white na. Legit. Like white. Yeah. 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 Horsey.
So many new things in Minecraft.
Yeah.
Self cannot.
Oh no, I'm hungry.
Oh no! Is she overseas again? It's a horsey! What horse?
It's too late for you and your white horse to come
Ay,
around.
shucks! Bakit sinampak?
Sinampak?
Sinampak. Ayan! It's horsey. White horsey is mine now. Don't worry. Ako muna dito para sa inyo. Dahil ako ay hindi isang outreach hours.
Uy.
Ako ay isa
Ayan.
Paras lamang.
Good night. Thank you for visiting.
Sa'yo ay salamat sa pagdalaw sa aking live. Oh, tagal mo.
Ate Andy, I will search your YouTube
Okay.
kung anong magandang house.
Yoga.
Cute Cute Sakura house.
Oh, I like this biome. Ang ganda ng biome. Ang laki ng feeling.
What?
Okay. Thank you, Marky. Good night. Hello, Boss Adrian.
Welcome to my small stream live.
Hindi ako lang po kasi ako yung...
Ate Andy.
Yes. Ay.
Wait. Wait lang.
Ano
Let me I'm live!
Balik na.
Ate Andy! Hanap tayo YouTube video.
YouTube video. Alright, gonna get yippee.
No!
Makakapasok pa rin sila. Skype wala ako.
Ano yun? Sakura? Ano yun?
Sakura Cute House.
Cherry pink.
Hanap ako ng puting puno.
Ikaw yung miner, ako yung builder.
Yes.
Hello! Nag-eat ka na ba? Yes, nag-eat na ako. Sabay ko ba niya ate Andy nag-eat?
Ang ganda ng kinain namin, guys. Sobrang healthy.
Ano mo, chinat ni JB. Sorry, natawa lang ako. Anyway, pink survival house. Yan. Para cute siya, pero functional siya. Yeah. Pale oak. Pale oak tree, I think. Hello.
Ano yung ano?
Broccoli.
Can you search kung anong biome na natin kayo?
What?
Can you search what biome natin?
Oh, okay. Swamp. Ba yun? Wait. Sa ano? Pale garden biome.
Pale garden.
Yeah, bro, you should see. I will sama-sama to you when. But we need to memorize kung ano yung location nito.
Open mo yung XY
Saan yan?
sa...
Sa V ba yun? Way up, all the way up.
Bakit hindi wala ko?
Hello. Oh. Who was that?
Ay, Doc, pwede ko lang mag-create ito.
Where?
Frosty 9779.
On
Set
yun
on
eh.
game mode to creative.
Game mode.
Hala! Na-quit ko.
Tinawad maghanap eh, no? Nag-create.
Hello. Maliit pa rin screen. Yes. Correct.
Check nga.
What you doing?
Bakit kaya maliit pa rin siya?
Hindi ko rin alam. Screen. I mean, sa view ko kasi buo siya, di ba?
Dapat sa kanila din.
Eh, bakit ganun? Wait lang.
Baka nagbabag yung ano.
Let me see. Tignan mo, it's so funny. You know.
Kasi
Do you see my room? Are you enjoying my room so far? Na-try mo na yung couch, Ate Andy? Try the couch. Yan, upo ka dyan.
Nakikita yun. Bakit kulig?
Kulay. Upo ka yan. Upo ka lang dyan. Ayun, yan. O, diba? Kita niyo ba siya? Hindi ko hindi nila kita.
Kaupo na ako.
Nag-enjoy it. Rate my room.
10 out of 10.
I'm lagging.
Ayaw tayo pag-streaming.
Asan na yung phone mo?
Ano to?
Ayun. Paano yung wala silang kausap?
Wala, nakikita lang nila pa din.
Why are you so small? This is my real height, guys. Wait, paano on yung left and right? Ay, left and right. Ate Andy, ayoko na. Ayoko na Minecraft. Ayoko na Minecraft. Ayoko na. Ikaw na lang pumunta doon. Ah, what the heck is this? Fireflies?
Huh? You would not believe your eyes in the million fireflies?
Ate, there's fireflies.
Where is that? You would not believe your eyes. You would not believe your eyes.
Frosty 9707.
Tara, punta tayo sa ano. Wait lang. Paano?
Save ka muna ng bed dito para pag namatay tayo. Kasi
Wait, ano ka naman ah? Paano gawing creative?
slash game mode space created. Stay till the open.
Your game mode has been updated to creative. Set own
Eh,
game
ba't
mode
pa
to creative.
mag-ano? Ba't pa mag... left and right? Ang tawag doon?
Mag-bed.
Oo, ba't pa mag-bed?
Ano, pagpala.
Tara, mag-build na lang tayo ng house.
Ayaw mo dito sa Cherry Bio?
Dito, gusto ko.
Ayaw, sabi ko mo gano'n. Gusto ko lang kasi.
Set the time to
Yung
73,000.
pail.
Yeah.
Oh, I can't... Ikaw na lang mag-save.
Nag-save ako ng isang bed. Para pag nagpakamatay ako, pabalik ako dito.
Ate, me too.
Respawn point set. You can only sleep at night and during thunderstorms. You can only
Teleport
sleep
ako.
at night and during thunderstorms. You can only sleep at night and during thunderstorms. You can only sleep at night and during thunderstorms. You can only sleep at night and during thunderstorms.
Mag-relive na lang ako, guys, ulit. Mamaya, after a few minutes. Baka kaya hindi naglalag kasi pagkaliit ng screen. Thank you, PJ, for the roses. Thank you. Thank you, Sari Store, for the heart me. Thank you, guys. Sige lang. Mag-relive na lang ako. Mamaya.
Frosty 9779. The nearest Minecraft. Pale_garden is at block -1259, 110, -959, 725 blocks away.
Kaya na nag-response point set na lang ako. Para pag nakita ko na, pagpakamatay na lang ako.
Sama ako sa yung...
Ayan. Yun yung coordinates.
Paano yun yung coordinates sa view ko?
Hindi, nasa chat. Yung coordinates na. Negative 45.
Hanap ako spot ng house. Here. I found it. Ate Andy, we disappeared.
Frosty 9779. Teleported Frosty 9779 to minus 1258.50. 110.00. Minus 958.50. Frosty 9779. Teleported Frosty 9779.
Nagsasalita na naman yun.
258.50. 110.00. Minus 958.50. Frosty 9000.
No, it's Minecraft.
Teleported Frosty 9000. Nagsasalita na naman.
Ay, wow! This is creepy.
Right. You wanna get a house there too.
Tignan mo. Sa gitna siya ng ano, ng forest, ng...
A disco ball is just hanging by a thread. I like to make myself believe slowly.
Frosty 9779. Set own game mode to survival.
When I'm asleep, 'cause
Dahil
everything
creepy naman tong
as
bahay na
yes, yes. As it seems, and I fall asleep. Wait lang, miss ko na yung controller ko, bro.
The planet returns slowly. Parang wala ko naman po ng kahoy. Ay, lagi sa
Duo house. Saan yung harap? No, si Tay.
Sobrang liit lang nito.
Kolya Tay.
Frosty 9779. Teleported Frosty 9779 to Watermelon.
Dito na lang. Ito. $18 by 9. Ito yung gitna.
Frosty 9779. Set own game mode to creative.
1.
Focus din siya. Sagot pa lang pero nakakot na ako dahil
EP yarn.
mga dahil ko di lang tulog ko.
Maybe. Sleep time pa na.
In a bit.
Yes.
Open to for 1 month.
Yay. 18, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Strawberry shortcake.
Yes. Ah, kala ko ba 18? Yung alin?
Everything is ever as it seems.
Kala ko ba 18?
I fall asleep.
Good night.
Sarap
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 18 naman ah!
Wala na ako sa bahay, guys. So, ang aking vitamins, aka Cerelac, ay hindi ko magkakain. Ay, uy!
Bakit?
Iniinom ko.
Hindi ko maintindihan. Andy, help! You wanna sit here with me?
It's okay.
Laptop ba gamit niya? Hindi. Pag 1 hour na ito, mag-relive ako. Wait lang, guys. Ayusin ko yan. What? I don't understand. 1, 2.
Dapat 6 yung puti.
Or kasama yung pink.
Kasama pink.
So that's,
3, 4, 5, 6. Tama yan.
and then,
1.
1, 2. Feel ko yung, ito yung white na 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yan.
Okay.
Hindi ko mo siya tignan.
Oh yeah, okay. That's easier nga. Should I make it elevated or okay na yun sa ilalim ng tuyo pa niya?
Si pag Nicole mag sa mobile,
Hindi, naka-controller talaga ako ate.
kahit controller. Ang masipag pag sa controller or ano.
Dapat PC?
Oo, easy ako masipag. Kasi mas mabilis. Talaga. Mabilis na.
Real. Paano to yan, no? All day, all day. Sige, weather na nga. Ayun.
Set the time to 97,000.
Mag-uulit-ulit ka nga ng ifem.
Okay lang.
It's hard to say that I'd rather stay awake when I'm asleep.
Thank you, PJ. Thank you. Ah.
Ito mamaya, may naririnig yung humihilig ka kami. Comfort team ko ang Minecraft dito, guys. Masaya mo ang famous era ng Minecraft. I was there. Before pa sumikat yung Minecraft.
Same.
I was there. Wala pa itong mga iba't ibang biome. I was there. Kami ni Chloe. I see something burning on the side. Oh,
The farmer died.
yes, look at this. The zombie village here.
Oh, put him outside in the.
Fire!
Yeah.
Oh, I'm lagging. Fire!
Ito hindi pantay. Wala siya sa gitna.
But is not pantay.
I move it to one block. Hindi siya pantay. I mean, tama naman. I just look. It's gonna hit the hill.
So, over here.
Is, lipat ko lang. Yan na. You can urong the other side din. Pokemon Go.
How much is it?
Frosty 9779 left the realm.
You left the realm.
I hear see. I think my phone cannot handle this. The connection is lost.
Oh no. Okay, I'm gonna relive now. I'll be right back, guys.